What's the majority of business?
Events.
Events such as?
Weddings, corporate events, private parties, galas. Yeah.
A lot.
We're a glorified moving and storage company.
You said that, and I'm like, wait, how does that work? So.
Well, imagine packing up your living room,
Yeah.
loading it onto a truck, hauling it, unloading it, setting it all up at some venue.
Yeah.
Going back that night, packing it up, putting it back on the truck, hauling it back, unloading it, and putting it away. That's what we do.
So when I thought of coming here, because we get a little a description of who you are, what you do, I thought, well, I wonder if there's a job too big for them to do. But as I walk around, I'm believing that there really isn't a job too big.
No, there are.
Are there?
I mean, we're kind of on the smaller, medium size compared to other, what I call big box rental companies that have 50 of the same couch.
Did you just go out shopping?
Initially, we did. We had to get large quantities because we have for events we have to have large, like, bulk quantities of plates and goblets and dishes. And now we're kind of just maintaining, and we do incorporate new product lines. We do introduce new product lines into the rental inventory.
Let's say it's a wedding. What is most asked for at a wedding? Is it really the plateware?
It all depends on the venue. If they're having it at their private property, then they need everything brought in. If they're having it at a hotel ballroom, they may just want centerpiece decor, like a lot of candle decor. Or they may not like the plates or dishes that the caterer is providing or the venue is providing, so they'll rent from us as an upgrade.
Just the plates. So does that happen sometimes? All we need is your plates?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We take orders of all sizes. We offer will call, pick up, and drop off here. Some clients will come in and pick up their order and then return it to us afterwards. And we also offer delivery. We'll deliver, we'll unpack, set up, go back, pack it up afterwards.
So there's a sense of familiar your story is with me. I have furnished rentals that I rent to corporations in the building that I live in. And we have it completely furnished, every apartment that we own. And so it's, and I don't get the stuff from Amazon. I go to consignment stores and find my way there.
Yeah.
But it's limited to the 10 apartments
Right.
that I have. And then it always stays there.
Yeah.
And then the people come to me. So I just, I have renters. I don't rent that stuff, except in my mind, it's kind of, not only are they renting the apartment, they're renting my stuff.
Right.
So, but I take complete offense if anybody doesn't, like, abuses my stuff. Like, I'm like, what did you do to my couch? Do you get that ever?
Yeah, with rentals, you can't be sentimental with any of it because it may not come back or it may come back damaged.
Right.
Yeah.
It's not even being sentimental. It's like, you didn't take care of my stuff.
Yeah, it happens.
And when it happens to you, is there, and there's a charge for me. I mean, do you have?
Same. Yeah.
Same. Are you ever surprised at what comes in and what goes out of here?
Yes, very much so. What we just had an order with like over 100 disco balls.
Yeah.
Did you have them?
Yes.
You have over 100 disco balls?
Yeah.
There's something absolutely
The
right
bride,
about it.
the bride wanted disco balls. Yeah.
In over 100.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All different sizes.
Yeah.
Oh, that was helpful.
Yeah.
That it was all
Yeah.
different sizes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm sure you don't have a.
Tiny, big ones.
Yeah. And then do you go and set it all up?
We do.
Yeah.
You do. Are you on that trip as well?
Not mainly, but I am this weekend.
You are this weekend. Yeah.
Other than that, we mainly do all the packing and the counting, and then when everything come back, make sure everything got
How often does new stuff come in?
pretty much daily.
Yeah. Daily.
Weekly new stuff that you've never seen
Yes.
before that needs to then be
Yes.
cataloged
We have
and
to catalog, measure it, process it, and everything.
Mm-hmm.